How to check for a software update on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Go to Software Update. You can check for updates on this page. The screen will display the currently installed iOS version and whether an update is available. As you can see, your iOS is up to date. If an update is available, you can choose to download and install it immediately or schedule it for later. You can also choose to enable or disable the automatic updates feature at the top. Following these steps, you can easily check for a software update on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.